SolarWinds Server and Application Monitor, or SAM, delivers application and server monitoring capabilities, enabling IT pros to diagnose and troubleshoot issues faster. SAM is designed to prevent slow applications and downtime from impacting end users and business services. Users can use this tool to pinpoint the root cause of application issues across various layers of the IT stack. I'm Caleb Fortune with TrustRadius, and let's take a closer look at SolarWinds Server and Application Monitor. Pricing. Pricing for SolarWinds Server and Application Monitor starts at $1,663 for a subscription and starts at $3,070 for a perpetual license, but will require getting a quote based on the node count required. A free 30-day trial is also available. Many competitors do not list a starting price, so we aren't able to say how this directly competes. Top features. The top features that SolarWinds claims for themselves are that SolarWinds Server and Application Monitor is fast to set up, saying it can typically be set up in minutes. SolarWinds touts their monitoring capabilities, specifically end-to-end monitoring, server capacity planning, custom app monitoring, application dependency mapping, and Azure monitoring as their best and most popular features among their clients. Also, SolarWinds is proud of their thousands of pre-built and community-built monitoring templates available. Finally, SolarWinds SAM is proud of their infrastructure dependency mapping capabilities. Who is SolarWinds Server and Application Monitor best for? Server and Application Monitor is best for system engineers, system administrators, and IT and service professionals working with mid-size to large businesses and enterprises. IT and services, hospital and healthcare, financial services, government administrators, and computer and network security are the leading industries using this program. Server Application Monitor would not be suitable for tech novices and small businesses that don't rely on complex system monitoring and applications to run their business. The price may also be steep for new and small businesses. User sentiment. Looking at what users have to say about SolarWinds Server and Application Monitor, users like that they can receive alerts and insights in real time based on factors like high disk and CPU usage, and call the alerts a lifesaver. It provides agentless server monitoring, which users find helpful since some application owners aren't fond of having agents installed on their servers. Users also like the custom templates for out-of-box apps and the built-in alerts on hardware and monitoring application templates, especially regarding disk space. Server and Application Monitor is also praised for how easy it is to configure, specifically for the web interface and health monitor. Looking at limitations users bring up, some say that there is a steep learning curve. Additionally, some users say that the initial setup can be confusing and time-consuming. Competing against other big names and even open source options, SolarWinds Server and Application Monitor holds its own as a highly regarded SAM option. Where do you turn to for your server or application monitoring needs? Let us know about it in the comments. Thanks for watching. As always, like and subscribe for more, and head over to trustradius.com for detailed reviews, comparisons, and software alternatives.